Hello friends, this is Krishna and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to do imports and exports in React. So this is one of the next generation JavaScript ES6 feature. So generally we will be writing our content in different files in React. So in order to use that content from one component to another component or from one file to another file, then we will be using this exports and imports mechanism. So let's see the different types of exports. So for this I have created a project called as React 1, and in this I have src, and in this I have a component called app.js or a JS file. So I am doing everything here, so you can create your own component based on your requirement. And first thing is we will be having two types of exports. One is default export and another thing is named export. So when we will be using default and when we will be using named exports. So the difference is when you want to export only a single thing, then you will be using default export. And if you have a requirement to export multiple things or multiple content, then you have to use named exports. So let's see how to code that practically. So first I'm going to create a names.js file or user dot users.js file, and I am going to create another file called as add address.js file. So in the users.js file I am going to do a default export here. So you can see here the arrow function syntax, which we have learned in the previous tutorial. So here I am going to write h1 tags. Now I'm going to export this by using default. So this is why we will be calling this as default export. We are exporting this constant content here by using this default, and I am going to import this here. So I'm formatting this and I'm saving this, and let's see whether it's working or not. So for the default export you have to use like this. You have to create anything and you have to export by using default, and you have to import directly like this. Let's wait until it's start compiled. So it got compiled successfully. Let's open the browser. So you can see here we are getting the data from users component here by using default export. Next we are going to see what is named export. In add address component I am going to Now I'm creating another address here, and this is address 2. So while exporting this, you have to export here itself. So once I save this, now if I want to import the named export, then you have to use that in the curly braces. So if you don't use the curly braces, then you fed up with some errors. So once I run this, so if you see here, we got some error like this, that is address 1 is not exported from add address. So if you want to use the named export, you have to give exact name what we have given here, what we have imported. You have to specify the exact name here. So here I am going to change that. So if I save this, this error will go on, will be removed. So this is called as named export. So it requires the specific name what we have exported, that is why it is called as named export here. So once you open the browser, you can check here, we have got this from default export and we have got this from named exports. Yeah, this is all about exports and imports. So thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.